Hello and welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind. I am Dr. Vilas Kalekar. Today's rubric is Amorous, episode number 26. What is meant by amorous? Amorous is full of love, especially a sexual, greatly attracted towards sexual matters, even in thoughts or dreams. An intense desire for love, especially sexual, practical indulgence in a sex is not necessary. It is related to desire, but the desire is not always related to sex. It can be a various type, like looking good for attracting others. Amorous may have more to do with being and being in love and may come close to romantic preoccupation or infatuation. This is amorous. Then what is the Hindi meaning? Kamakta Purvak or Premathur. This is Hindi meaning. Then what is the Marathi meaning? Marathi meaning is कामेच्छुक, कामुकपणा, वैश्विक प्रेमासंबंधी अथवा विचार, स्वप्न इत्यादी माध्यमातूनही वैश्विक बाबीकडे आकर्षित होणारा. This is Marathi meaning. Then what are the remedies for the amorous? First is antimcrude, calcarea, cannabis sativa, cantharis, carbovage, causticum, china, ignitia, lycopodium, natromur, nux vomica, phosphorus, platina, pulsatilla, sabina, stramonium, veratum, belladonna, buffu, calcarephos, colocin, conium, graphitis, hyoscyamus, iodum, lachesis, murk, muscus, then murex, opium, sepia, stannum, staphysagra and ustulaco. So these are the number of remedies for the amorous. Now we will see the cross references for amorous. First is the amativeness. Amativeness is the disposition to love with a sexual desire. Amorous disposition to sexual love, relating to or intent to love, especially sexual love. It is a faculty connected with the physical love and sexual attraction. It has nothing to do with the sex. Then next cross reference is a delirium erotic. Delirium is a disordered state of mind. It is a transient mental disturbance that is characterized by the confusion or disorientation, disordered speech, restlessness, excitement during the course of mental illness, shock, high fever, intoxication. Delirium during delirium state, the patient goes out of track. During delirious, patient expresses expressions, gestures changes suddenly. It is under delirious state the patient loses his control on mind. This is delirium erotic. Then dreams amorous. Dreams means it is a series of mental images, ideas, and emotions occurring in a certain stages of a sleep. Then next cross reference, ecstasy amorous. Ecstasy means it is a great joy, a state of being emotional that is carried beyond self control or a thought. This is ecstasy amorous. Then fancies lasciviousness. Fancies means it is a flight of imagination or daydreaming, inclination to absorb in one particular type of thoughts or something as an internal desire without any reasoning, imagination, especially creative imagination. Fancies uh, is a liking or a desire for someone or something, especially not that does not last long. Mind forms images or a representation of things at a pleasure. This is fancy's lasciviousness. And then next cross reference, genitally male sexual passion increased. The next cross reference, genitally female sexual desire excessive. The next cross reference, hysteria lascivious. Hysteria means it is a functional disorder of the nervous system where there is a excess or uncontrollable emotion as a panic or fear. It is a state of extreme excitement, fear, anger that cannot be control. This is hysteria. Then kissing everyone. Kissing means wants to have to be having affection or love with him by others. Then next cross reference, lasciviousness. It is a feeling of or showing strong sexual desire, tendency of person where action and behavior are always expressive of or desire for sexual activity. Person in a such much more attracted towards sexual thoughts and act. This is lasciviousness. Then lividness. Lividness is a disposition to behave in a sexual manner that obvious in speech and dressing, even exposes his body in front of others, connected with sex in an offensive way. The sexual thoughts may not be predominating, but the person desire to expose the body. This is a voluntary act. This is lividness. Then naked wants to be, that is desire to expose without clothes. Then next cross reference, nymphomania. It is the abnormal sexual desire in a woman. Then next cross reference, sexual impulse, increased desire. Then next cross reference, sexual impulse satiresis. That is meant by it is the impelling force, a quick and sudden spontaneous urge to do something, that is impulse. Then next cross reference, shameless exposes the person. Shameless means it is a having no shame or a sense. Shameless has more to do with or not caring about being exposed, etc. Then it has to do with the highlighted sexuality. That is shameless exposes the person. Then next cross reference, sleep dreams amorous. Then next cross reference, thoughts amorous. Then next cross reference, thoughts introduce sexual. And thoughts means it is the idea or emotion or it is opinion produced by thinking or occurring suddenly in the mind. Then next cross reference, the thoughts tormenting sexual. So these are all the cross references for amorous. And what is the miasm of amorous? That is the psychosis miasm. And what are the disease condition or psychiatric condition of amorous? First is psychosexual disorder, second is alcoholism, then drug addiction, then organic psychosis, then multiple sclerosis, then mania, then thyrotoxicosis, and schizophrenia. So these are the psychiatric condition for amorous. So friends, this is all about the amorous in short. If you like my channel, please share, comment, like, and subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next episode with a new rubric. Till then, thank you, goodbye, take care.